Gotta replace the air intake hose to the old one. There's a tear here. And that would be the first one I'm unscrewing right now here. There is another clamp here with ears. I need to push on them and release it. Your clamp can look different, like that one with screw bolt which need to be unscrewed. You don't have to detach this appendix looking like PVC pipe. You can do it later when you take off this intake hose. If you still struggle with detaching this intake, it means you need to release this bolt which holds the clamp more. The hose on this end can be easily released with flat screwdriver like that. There you go. It would be better if you remove this connector just in case. To release this clamp, it is better to use this socket key, especially when you accidentally strip off the head of this screw bolt. And here you go, just rock it back and forth and pull it out, just like that. And now the final pipe you need to release. It doesn't go anywhere, it looks like appendix hanging on this air intake. Now you can pull out this plastic stud along with the pipe. This screw head requires a 6mm socket key. It looks like there is no standard, so you need to find the correct socket key for each screw head bolt. When you unscrew this screw and clamp released, just pull out this pipe out of intake. Make sure that your air intake, the new part, has a hole through here. You may lubricate the ends of new part of air intake with W40 for better insertion. Don't forget to loosen the clamps on new part before insertion. I bought this air intake first from eBay. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me. The appendix part just couldn't be inserted, so I bought another one which I first looked at Amazon, and people who reviewed this air intake said that it can be fit to the Honda CRV 2000 and 2001. For some reason Amazon cannot send this item to my address, so I went to eBay, found the same picture, and I bought this from eBay, and it worked out. And it actually comes with clamps also. There was still struggle when I was trying to insert this U-shaped, some kind of appendix PVC pipe into this air intake, but I was able eventually push it in. I would like just to show the comparison between the old part and new part. They look actually the same. And that one which is on the top I bought from eBay. And as I mentioned before, this would be the only struggle to insert this kind of U-shaped PVC into the air intake. Had to press on this with whole my body weight to push it in. Oh my god, it was a lot of hassle. Now I can put this thing back. But actually, yeah, I was able just to hook it on. So it's all fit now. Put this thing back. And push it back. And there. Here. Yeah, it did. With two hands I was able to push it in. This goes back and this goes back. That's a job. Let's start the car and see if it works without problem.
one.
Okay.